Hello. So today I'm going to be talking about my STEM bus experience at Rogers. It was Thursday, 427, for my W200 class, and I got to work with first grade. And my name's Joy Carlson. So, how I provided for the students. This picture shows kind of what our STEM bot looked like. I couldn't find an exact picture, but we provided robots and pads for them. They would get to design a track with the pads. Each pad had a different action, like turning left, turning right, going straight, stopping, and the students would get to play with the robots and design the pads in different ways. I was really trying to be caring and understanding for the students because although the activity was really fun, it was also really challenging. So they kind of needed, pick me ups and words of encouragement to keep going. I tried to explain the directions to them after the lady who runs the STEM bus explained them because some were still a little confused. So I tried to paraphrase the directions for them and I provided help for them when they needed. I really wanted them to lead this activity and kind of show me what to do so that they can get like the most learning out of it. But I did help them whenever they needed it. So, how I provided for the teacher. The teacher kind of got time to themselves, time to where they didn't really have to focus hard on the class. They kind of just got to walk around and see what their students were learning and doing. They got to see their students engaged. I know a lot. Both teachers were taking pictures. They were having a lot of fun as watching the students learn. The teachers got a little break from teaching and just got to walk around and explore the robots for themselves too. And they got to explore the robots as well. How I facilitated. So, I tried to help come up with solutions with the students. I kind of wanted them to give me a solution first so I could kind of see the direction they're going in, where they're going to head. But if we got stuck, I would help come up with solutions of what I think would be best. I tried to ask thought provoking questions. So, for instance, when they put down a pad, I would ask, so, what color does this pad do? Is it going to turn it 45 degrees or is it going to turn it all the way left? And they had this direction board that they could look at to see kind of what exactly it would do so they could refer back to that. Um, and I also asked them what they think should be done in their opinion so that they can also get a feel for exploring it for themselves. The technology we used robots and their pads. This is the closest picture I could find to the robots we used. Um, so we got robots and they put pads down, and each pad had a different direction. Like I said, whether it would stop, go, turn, or there was a party option too, which was what they were trying to get to most of the time, where it would spin around. So that's the technology we used in the classroom. I wish I could change the help I got with the students because even though we were in only groups of like two or three, I wish that the two leaders of the STEM bus would come around and kind of see, like, ask, like, you guys doing okay? How's it going? Do you need any help from us? Um, I would change time. I would look at the groups to see where they're going instead of giving kind of like a set time because my first group got done, like, we used all the time that we had, but my second group, we kind of got finished really quickly. And then I tried to come up with other activities to do, but it was just kind of hard. And I wish there were clearer instructions at the beginning, especially since they were first graders, because it was hard for them to understand what was going on. What I did well, I think I did well with participating with the kids and getting to know them in a short amount of time that we had together. And I think we had a lot of fun. And I got a lot of high fives. What I struggled with time management also, like knowing if I should ask more questions, if I should stop. We had a debate about fairness, especially with my second group, because some kids were being unfair. And I struggled with directions and paraphrasing. I want to improve by talking with the leader of the STEM bus to give us more time to go over the activity as teachers before the kids try it out for themselves so we can also know what's going on. And this is what I learned. Not every class will be the same, and different students need different things to succeed, and that's okay because we're all different, like the picture says, and that's beautiful. Thank you.